Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see about development of stomach. Let's move on to the video now. So here we can see the development of stomach. The stomach is developed as a fusiform dilatation from the lower part of the foregut during 4th or 5th week. So this development which that is the fusiform dilatation which lies in the median plane, and this has dorsal border and ventral border. So when the development progression occurs, the dorsal border rapidly grows. The dorsal border rapidly grows, and this makes a greater curvature of the stomach. And in the meantime, the ventral part, that is the pyloric part, which projects more ventrally, and this makes the concavity of the stomach, and which becomes the lesser curvature in future. Okay, so this dorsal border which grows rapidly, and this becomes a greater curvature of the stomach, and the pyloric part which grows ventrally, that is it moves ventrally, and this makes the concavity of the stomach as a lesser curvature in the future. Imagine this is the esophagus, and this one is the fusiform dilated part of the stomach. So in the stomach you have the ventral border which is marked here, and the dorsal border which is seen in the posterior. So in the meantime we can able to see the right surface and left surface. So we can able to mark it out, the ventral border, dorsal border, right surface and left surface. Okay. Now the stomach undergoes a 90-degree rotation to the right. So when the rotation occurs, what are the changes are going to see? That we will see in this. Okay. So towards the right, just lateral to the right vagus nerve passes and supplies. And towards the left vagus nerve passes and it supplies. So once the rotation undergoes, the stomach undergoes a rotation of 90-degree to the right surface become posterior and left surface become anterior. So here in this picture we can see clearly the fusiform dilated part of the stomach undergoes a 90-degree rotation. So the right surface which goes posterior and the left surface which comes anterior. So that is why this is the reason why the right vagus nerve supplies to the posterior surface of the stomach, and the left vagus supplies to the anterosuperior part of the stomach. This is the important thing we should notify when you see the development of stomach. So the rotation is got over, and then the stomach has ventral border and dorsal border. The ventral border of the stomach is suspended from the anterior body wall by ventral mesogastrium. Here also we can see the ventral mesogastrium which is suspended from the anterior body wall. And then the dorsal border of the stomach which is attached to the posterior body wall by dorsal mesogastrium. So here that dorsal mesogastrium we can see. So in the dorsal mesogastrium, the development of the spleen appears. So the development of the spleen occurs in the left layer of the dorsal mesogastrium. So the part of the dorsal mesogastrium between the stomach and the spleen becomes the gastrosplenic ligament. And then the part of the dorsal mesogastrium between the spleen and the posterior body wall becomes the lienorenal ligament in future. Now we'll see the ventral border of the stomach. The ventral border of the stomach which is suspended from the anterior body wall by ventral mesogastrium. In the ventral mesogastrium, we can see the development of the hepatic bud. This going to form the development of the liver. So as there is a rapid development of the liver occurs, this occupies more in the right position so that it makes the spleen to shift towards the left side, and the rapid development of the liver makes the to shift the stomach also towards the left side. So this is the reason why it is shifted towards the left. This is one of the main reason. And then the part of the mesogastrium between the stomach and the liver is lesser omentum, and the part of the mesogastrium between the liver and the body wall which persists as a falciform ligament and coronary ligament. So this is the main thing we can see when there is a rapid growth of the liver occurs. And one more thing, this stomach has a lesser sac and a greater sac. So the lesser sac which is seen behind the stomach, that is which can be seen dorsal to the stomach. So this lesser sac which shift more towards the left and dorsal, and this makes the dorsal mesogastrium moves caudally, and this makes the dorsal mesogastrium moves caudally, and which becomes the fold of the greater omentum. So this is the thing which has happened in a development of the stomach. So we have discussed about the rotation of the stomach, and then next thing is a rapid development of the liver, and then is the formation of the, that is the lesser sac which makes the dorsal mesogastrium moves caudally, and this makes the fold of the greater omentum. So these three things we should remember when you see about the development of the stomach. So now in the overall development of the stomach, we should remember three important things. The first one is rapid enlargement of the liver, which makes the organs shift towards the left, and that is the stomach and the spleen are shifted towards the left as because of the rapid development, rapid enlargement of the liver. That is one thing. And the next thing is, that is the lesser sac which makes pushes the dorsal mesogastrium more caudally, and this forms the fold of the greater omentum. That is another important thing. And the third one is a very important thing, that is the apparent rotation. That means the rotation of the stomach takes place until the active growth process occurs. That is, the whole the dorsal mesogastrium, it gradually shifts towards the left from the dorsal border until it reaches the adult position. So these are the three important things we should remember when the development of the stomach occurs. So the rotation of the stomach occur at about 90 degree. That also we should remember during the development. I think I have mentioned you the most important thing and the development of the stomach in this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you, friends.